Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. Get that nice round shape of that curled up kitty. You're just finding my way here. Always making some corrections as I go. One thing you gotta keep in mind is you don't have to get it right the first time. Just keep going. If you have to make changes, that's okay. Don't worry about the extra lines. They'll just fade away into background tone anyways. And, you can always get out your eraser and get rid of some if there's too many, if you can't see where you're going. No rules in art. I haven't done a curled up kitty for a video for a while, so I thought it was about time. It's good to listen while I talk through it and then watch it again without the sound too. Whatever works for you. And I love to hear from you, especially if you have video ideas for a tutorial. Please put video idea in capital letters at the beginning of your comment and tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing. Or just tell me about yourself or your cat, whatever. I just love to hear from you. So I got some lines in there to place the eyes. Helps for me to turn it a bit sideways so the head is actually facing a way that works for me to put some eyes in. Just pop them in. That cute little nosy. I'm going to put some tabby marks in there. Helps for expression and for contour. The tabby marks kind of got to go around the contour of the head. Really starting to darken up the lines that I like now. And you see how the extra lines are just kind of fading away into background tone? I love that. And I'm just keeping it simple here. Bit of suggestion of hair here and there. Yeah, I think I got too much lines or the lines in the wrong place there, so we'll fix them up a bit. That's better. I love the expression I've captured. I'm going 3 times the speed here and voicing over. Some wiggle lines. Thank you so much for watching. I had some whiskers and we'll see you next time.